In our team, we have Jessica Reyes, Fernando Gomez, and Aitana Riestra, and we are going to talk about the poverty.
Being in poverty means that you do not have enough money to get the minimum thing to live with dignity or even to survive. For example, you might lack enough food to be healthy, or you do not earn enough money to pay for basic utilities or live in a place that does not have access to them. In other cases, you cannot go to even primary school, so you cannot get a formal job, and then it will be more difficult for you to get a good salary. You might also not have access to basic and effective health services that have the required supply, equipment, instruments, or even capable personnel, so you must use public services of poor quality. Along history, poverty has always been a problem, mainly in some continents and countries which, although in some cases have a lot of natural resources, are governed by bad and corrupt governments. Besides, people in some of those countries are facing social unrest and conflicts, which also make overcoming poverty more difficult. Unfortunately, in the last 50 years, the poverty issue has become even more acute due to the inequality caused by the brutal capitalist doctrines that are followed in many countries and that place being rich at all costs as the most important goal. These policies are now causing poverty, even in the developed countries too, and there is no indication that this will change soon. Therefore, it is important to acknowledge what is happening and together work to build a more just society by demanding laws and regulation that foster a better wealth distribution with and among nations.
The poorest countries in the world 2020. Poverty is one of the social issues that affect a lot of countries. The poorest countries in the world are located in Africa. They suffer a lot of similar situations like food scarcity, corruption, insecurity, mortal rate, absence of education, absence of medical services, exploitation, and also they have a low level of GDP, gross domestic product per capita. Burundi, the number one in the world's poverty ranking because of the ethnical problems and civil war. The people subsist with $1.25 per day or less. Central African Republic, the second poorest country in the world because of the bad administration of the richness. Today, this country is showing a lot of progress. Democratic Republic of the Congo, the third poorest country in the world because of the political problems, malnutrition, and wars. But also, this country has a lot of potential. These countries need help from all of us. They need food, social support, education, security, and a good government that improves their situation.
How does capitalism affect us? For many years, we have learned poverty was a problem of people who don't like to work, those who are lazy and don't make a big effort to succeed in his life. But now that I've been reading and listening to some podcasts about the subject, I have found that capitalism is the main problem of poverty. And I'll tell you why. We can see on the streets people who wake up at 4 a.m. They take more than 2 hours to get to their job, and also they work more than 10 hours per day, and they don't earn enough money to have a good life. On the other hand, we have privileged people who work just a few hours per day and they earn much more money than the average person. This is a consequence of the bad management of economic politics. I'm not saying that capitalism is all bad, but it has failed nowadays. I have listened to some philanthropists and they explain the solution for this problem. They suggest that the governments should start making decisions to regulate the economy rather than the private companies, because now they are deciding the direction of the economy, and that's why there is poverty. So, to conclude, When you leave the responsibility for economic equality to private companies, they will always look for profits, and that's why we have the problem of poverty.
The world needs you. Help people, even when you know they can't help you back.